How to send money to friends and family on PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually send money to friends and family on PayPal. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now the process to send money on PayPal is very simple. Make sure that you've added your payment method, then just go ahead and launch the PayPal application. Then once you launch the PayPal app over here, all you have to do is just tap on the send option which you see over here. Then once you tap on the send option, you can simply choose one of your contacts who already has PayPal, or you can simply enter the email address or the mobile number of the person you want to send your PayPal money to. So just select a person whom you'd like to send a money. If they don't have PayPal, they'll be actually invited to open PayPal account even if they don't have. So just enter the amount of money that you would like to send in this case, and then after you've done that, if you want to add a message, you can do that. If you want to change the currency, you can just select currency and you can choose any of the other currency that you want. And then after that, what you have to do is just tap on the next option over here. So once you tap on the next option, it will ask you payment type for goods and services or for friends and family. You can select friends and family and then just tap on the next option. It will ask you to confirm from which bank account you actually want to go ahead and then confirm it. And then once you verified your Face ID and so on, you'll see all of your cards that you've added. Just select a card and then tap on the next option from the bottom. Once you tap on the next option, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then send them the required money. That's all it takes to send money to friends and family on PayPal. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.